Hello everybody. Today we are going to see Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for LDH-P reagent. You can find the code number over here. It is 121169 and LDH-P reagent, and you can find the kit content R1 LDH-P reagent 5 into 11 ml, R2 LDH-P reagent 5 into 4 ml. And you can find that this is a C certified product, and you can find IVD marking over here, and temperature control is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am placing it in an ice pack. And you can find the manufacturing details over here. Now I am going to show you the side view of the box. This is the side view. You can find the brand name Erba Mannheim Excel system pack. This is the other side. You can find the manufacturing details. Find the customer care details over here. To summarize it, this pack consists of 2 kits: R1 LDP reagent 5 into 11 ml and R2 LDP reagent 5 into 4 ml. This is the overall pack consists of. Thank you.